Now, speaking of Tesla, we had Ram TRX spotted at Tesla's Fremont factory. Ram TRX, for those who are unaware, is like the most powerful pickup truck in the world right now. And the word is that Tesla is benchmarking their upcoming Cybertruck against the TRX, because when they come out with one of these vehicles, you know, big thing is for them to come out and say, look, it's beating everything. It's faster than everything. It's towing. It's more powerful than it's got more interior space. It's got, you know, got to be able to say all that. And so this is a decent target for right now, at least until the next Raptor comes out. This is what your target would be if you want to say you were the king of all pickup trucks. It'd be a good place to start. This is a 750 horsepower. Oh, 702 horsepower, my bad. 2021 Ram 1500 TRX V8 6.2 liter. Now, this thing drinks a little bit of gasoline. I'll tell you what. And that provides even more incentive. If they say we can beat that on performance and we drink zero gasoline, that's going to be an even bigger thing to say. But it's going to be, I'm curious, because it's obviously going to be it's going to be the heaviest vehicle that Tesla has made. It's going to have an enormous battery in there to move all that around quickly. And they made some claims already about performance. So good sign here is it appears that if we're at this kind of benchmarking stage, then maybe we're getting closer. Maybe we're 7-8 months away from a Cybertruck. He's been rolling around with a Cybertruck over there in Texas. So we'll see how it goes. If they can defeat the current champ, the TRX. Yeah. You got a couple pictures in Tesla HQ. It's amazing, by the way, flying drones over the, just like people will just head out there to Fremont, fly the drone, see what's going on. You got a news article. There was a TRX out there.
There you go.
It's cool.